Welcome once again to the channel. This is SunsetDroneGh. Today we are coming to you live from Nsuatre market. Nsuatre is located in the Sunyani West District of the Bono region of Ghana. Every Friday they have their market, and this was the first market day in the year 2022. As you can see from the drone shots, very beautiful scenes from the market. People trading everywhere, people making sure they trade and make a living out of what they are doing over here on this fateful Friday afternoon at Nsuatre in the Bono region of Ghana. This is a very beautiful marketplace, very beautiful area that you can see. This is the road that leads to the Nsuatre roundabout through to the market. That's where we are showing you right now. If you happen to be in Nsuatre in any of these days, or Friday especially, you can pass through the market and get yourself some nice goods for yourself and your loved ones at very moderate prices, because during these times people from all manner of places and all other villages come together here to trade. So the items are mostly very cheap and very easy to acquire. Please, if you have not subscribed to our channel, I will entreat you to click on the red subscribe button to become part of this amazing Sunset family. And I want to use this opportunity to thank all the good people who have subscribed to the channel. I say God bless you so much for being part of this family and always watching our videos, commenting and liking it. Please continue to do that and share it among your loved ones so that others too can watch them. Please sit back and watch this amazing footage or video from the Nsuatre market. That's just on the highway from Berekum or from Sunyani on your left, and when you're coming from Berekum on your right, in Nsuatre township.